Well, fans, we talk a lot about making history here at the museum.
Former freestyle champion of the world. He's running the special body that he ran in World Finals, and it's only her third show. Hey, Buffalo Trimmer, Tyler Davidson, and Wrecking Crew. Overboard. Stars of the show, make some noise.
Well, there's one thing we like to do before each and every monster truck event that we do across the country, and that's take just a moment to recognize that it's a very special privilege to be able to come out on a beautiful afternoon in the great state of Indiana and enjoy something as truly American as monster trucks. Well, fans, we're only able to do that because we live in the greatest country in the world, a free country. If we have anyone here today who's ever served in any branch of the U.S. military, please stand up, put your hands in the air, put your caps in the air, and be recognized for your service.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Get your cameras ready. Check that out, Butler. Let's see. Big wheelie. Look at the air from the engine. Check this out. Green flag drop here in the finals. Here we go, Butler, Indiana. And there they go!
I'm over the top right beside you. Come on, Butler, get loud, get crazy!
What a finish!
Butler, Indiana, one more time, as loud as you've been all day. Let's make some noise for all the stars of the fall monsters at the museum.